The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Oriental Mindoro in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. The province of Oriental Mindoro has the city of Calapan as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. It is composed of one city, 14 municipalities, and 426 barangays. It was founded on November 15, 1950, and the total land area is 4,238.38 kilometers squared or 1,636.45 square miles. Oriental Mindoro is bordered clockwise from the north by the Verde Island Passage, Sibuyan Sea, Tablas Strait, and Occidental Mindoro. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Oriental Mindoro in MIMAROPA region or Region 4B. We have the municipality of Baco with 27 barangays, municipality of Bansod with 13 barangays, municipality of Bongabong with 36 barangays, municipality of Bulalakaw with 15 barangays, the city of Calapan, which also serves as the provincial capital, with 62 barangays, the municipality of Gloria with 27 barangays, the municipality of Mansalay with 17 barangays, and the municipality of Nahujan with 70 barangays. We also have the municipality of Pinamalayan with 37 barangays, municipality of Pola with 23 barangays, municipality of Puerto Galera with 13 barangays, municipality of Rojas with 20 barangays, municipality of San Teodoro with 8 barangays, municipality of Socorro with 26 barangays, and the municipality of Victoria with 32 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Oriental Mindoro in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.